It's a pleasure for me to thank Professor Mastarakis and all the WC's organization for this very beautiful, interesting conference, multi-conference, in which there are 140 papers, in spite of the rejection of almost half of this number, and in this very fascinating site, and also the level, the cultural level of the intervention is very high, and also the relations between person participating is very interesting. And we have here Professor Piluso, which is the president,
chairman of the Civil Engineering Educational Council of Salerno University. I provide our greetings to all attending people to this very interesting conference. And we hope that the discussion during the conference will very strong to improve the quality of the conference. I have given a look to the proceedings, which are very interesting. There are many papers which cover most important topics within theoretical and applied mechanics, and also dealing with general problems of civil and environmental engineering. The location of the conference is very fascinating, and we are now here on this very beautiful terrace, where it is possible to admire the beginning of the Amalfitan coast. And it is time now for Professor Guarnaccia to do a little movie dealing with the sightseeing and all the surrounding places.
It was a great pleasure and a great honor for us that we accepted the proposal of Professor Claudio Guarnacchia and Professor Quartieri to organize a congress in this beautiful place and this historical town of Salerno. The congress that we organized was very successful, in my opinion, and of high level and of high quality. I have seen that we have a lot of participations, more than 100, I think 130. The rejection rate was about 50%. Actually, we received 250 and 260 papers, and from them only 130 were accepted. The best papers will be promoted in various journals. Some of them are in ISI. WCAS, as you know, that WCAS is a unique publisher that has journals with full paper in PDF, without username and without password, free for everybody, and where the authors don't pay anything. It is the only open access publisher in the world where the authors do not pay subscription or do not pay fees for publications. WCAS is a non-profit organization. That means that all the income is dedicated for the promotion of the organization and for the growth and development of organization. So this conference is very successful. I see here a lot of people, a very nice place, from a very nice town and very nice country, Italy, of course. And I would like to thank you once more, Professor Piluso, Professor Quartieri, Professor Guarnacchia, and Professor Rizzo, yes, of course, for the great support during this conference.